What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you're all doing great. A quick update on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. So as per my yesterday's video, price broke below this previous structure, means we are now only looking for bearish trades. Now we have few conditions on different platform. On NEMEX, I'm going to mention two conditions, and on the other platform I'm going to mention the support as well, the next level of support and what to expect next. So don't skip the video, because I might be mentioning a condition on the other platform that can also go with these platforms. So wherever the price goes on one platform, of course the other platform reacts accordingly. But the benefit of looking at the other platform is that once a price forms a condition on one platform, all the others moves side by side. So starting with NEMEX, what do we have right here? So price broken below means we have a bearish continuation and the trend has been confirmed to the downside. We had a new low has been broken. Now price is in a process of a pullback. Now the preferable entry is always a pullback. Could be a solid pullback to 50 EMA and bearish engulfer. That is very less aggressive entry, and that is something we call an entry with confirmation. Now aggressive entry is always my fib entry, which is all the way from here till here. Now we already have a hit of 50% retracement fib level right here. Now the aggressive traders tends to enter right here or at 382 fib levels by keeping a stop loss just above that, and then they go 1-to-1 initially, that is till level 1, or till the support that is 1.9 to 1 reward to risk ratio. So that is something called very aggressive entry that has been triggered. If you are using 50%, that has been triggered from here, and the till support, that is something we call aggressive entry. Now aggressive entry doesn't have a confirmation, but that just goes aggressively in a downtrend, and that is something some traders take these entries. Now these entries works perfectly with a trending market. Now gas doesn't have a trending market yet, it's just a sideways market for now. That might be risky at this one, but it's totally up to you if you want to take it or not. Previously we had some good entries using the fib levels, but again less aggressive entry will be always preferable for me, which I'll be personally taking that as well, which is my bearish pullback entry. Now the next level of support, if the price keep on pushing down, we'll be buying nat gas again from 2.799, that goes up to 2.928. That's a support level on NEMEX platform. That is a level from where we are looking for the possible bullish engulfers or double bottom. Till then we are only selling natural gas with the conditions I've just mentioned. Now on Oana, we are bouncing up from the level of support. Now I've clearly mentioned in my last video that we might be getting a little bounce from the support. Now like I mentioned, on different platforms we need to look at the condition. Now here for example we have a support, price might be pushing up, and then we are coming out from this trade, and in that process NEMEX might be pushing up to 50 EMA and forms a bearish engulfing conditions. That is why I look for the multiple platforms. Now at this point on this platform we are looking at the possible bounce and then bearish engulfing pattern to go short, and I'm also looking for the possible double bottoms, which is exactly like this, and make it prominent. So all I want to see, push up, pull back. Now if there is a double bottom within this rejection box in yellow without a candle to close below this low, if the wick has gone down, that is totally fine. But if you have a double bottom, I'm then expecting a solid spike, could be till 50 EMA, could be the recent support that was broken. So keep looking for the double bottom as well. In a meanwhile, before that, look for pullback and bearish engulfing condition to go short. On this platform I'm not using fib levels, but I'm only looking for pullback entry bearish. On capital.com exactly the same, not using fib levels but only looking for the pullback entry bearish to go short. The next level of support here on this platform is right here, 2.628, that goes up to 2.744, from where I will be looking for the next buy condition. Till then I'm only looking to sell with my pullbacks and bearish engulfing condition. Now if there is no conditions here, I will wait for the price to break below this low, then a pullback and then bearish engulfing conditions to go short till here. So for now we are bearish till this level. Once we are in this level we are looking to buy natural gas. On MCX, same as the other platform, looking for a bearish pullback entry. Now on this platform you can also use a fib levels like we did on NEMEX, because NEMEX and MCX go side by side looking at the price action. We have a hit of 50%, 382 can be aggressive and 50% can be aggressive as well. Looking at that, I'm expecting a rejection from here and then push down to 1.618 fib levels. Now if aggressive entry won't play out, then we can look for bearish pullback entry. There's a very highly likely chance we can see a rejection from 50 EMA and then we can get a possible continuation towards the downside. Now remember, to buy nat gas we must be trading above 50 EMA. Till then we are not looking to buy natural gas. So next support here on MCX is right here, these numbers, which is 259, 0.6 that goes down to 246. That is the next level of support from where I'll be looking to buy natural gas on MCX platform. So keep an eye. That is something I'll be looking here. Now, what do we have on gold? Gold perfectly pushed up. Now, if you are my member and if you follow me on YouTube, for the members, I've already sent the support zone. One below that has reacted perfectly fine with my entry condition, without ifs, without buts. Now, this candle doesn't engulf the previous candle, means that was an invalid entry. So we have not taken that. No conditions means no entry. Now, price is heading towards a major structure resistance, which is right here, 5,000 level that goes up to 5052 level. Right here, as you can see, this report was sent to the members just on Sunday, and how perfectly it pushes up. Now, we have two levels, as you can see. From first level, it nicely bounced up, and I've also mentioned that these are the minor level that can be broken easily. That is why I would preferably enter less aggressively. I've not entered aggressively, but that still plays out for aggressive and risky traders. We are now heading towards a minor resistance that is also mentioned and sent to the members. Since you guys follow me on YouTube and I do gold analysis, that is why I can show that as well. Next level of resistance right here, as you can see the number. Now on this platform, I'll be looking for a bearish engulfer or double top. That is something I'll be looking here on 4 hour, and on 1 hour exactly same. We have got a bullish aggressive entry on 1 hour time frame. So keep looking for that. But before that, price is now rejected from 50 EMA, means if the next candle turns out to be a bearish engulfer without a candle to hit this zone, I will still go for my sell trade using 1 ATR for the target. ATR is very high in gold. I've not seen this much high ATR, 157 pips. Normally it used to be 23 pips, 15 pips, $15 I mean. But here it is high and highest volatility I've seen in the gold and silver. So look for that bearish engulfer, and I'll be simply looking for the bearish pullback entry. I've already given a signal yesterday to manage your trades. That has played out. If you have not seen my yesterday's video, feel free to watch that and see how we entered gold. Hey, on silver, nicely bounced up from the level of support. That was already mentioned in my last video. Nicely bounced up, and we are now getting a bearish pullback entry. Now, that is a candle we need to look here. If this close is a bearish engulfer, that will be my sell signal, and I'll be going short from here if close as a bearish candle using an ATR, which is $6 massive. So that looks something like this. So $6 looks something like this, going 1-to-1. And to manage your trades, I would go till the support below. So that is something for the first target. And if this didn't play out, then we might see another push up, another bearish condition below 50 EMA. But that would be my valid entry if that close as a bearish engulfing candle. If that pushes down, it will also likely going to take the gold down as well. So keep looking for the condition here. If that happens, we are going short. And guys, take your trades on your own risk. Shouldn't be taken as any sort of trading advice, just my opinion, and that is how I personally take my trades. What do we have? Perfect push up from the double bottom areas. You see how the conditions beautifully playing out. I've clearly mentioned yesterday that we are not selling till we are broken below. Wick is allowed to go below, but the body is not allowed. What do you see here? A perfect double bottom. Never broke below, and then it nicely pushed up. Let's see the clip from the last video, then we can connect the dots from there. We are right at the level of support. Now that's the level, very crucial level from where we are looking to go long if I see a buy condition, which is going to be exactly like this. If the price comes back down to this double bottom area, which is right here, forms bullish engulfer, then I'll be going long. Nice one. So you see how perfectly my zones has been playing out, is been playing out from since my last report I've sent to the members. This zone, the red zone, we were looking to sell, as you can see, nicely pushed down. The green zone we were looking to buy, and as you can see, is nicely pushing up. And that is how we look at the condition on 1 hour. A double bottom plays out perfectly fine, and we are now breaking above 50 and 20 EMA. So let's the momentum to build more, and then we can look for the pullback and then engulfing candle and keep on taking longs till we get to the next level of resistance, which is right here. I've just shown in the screenshot from where I'll be looking to sell again, and we might get a major double bottom to go short. So, sorry, double top to go short. So for now, I'm expecting a further continuation, but with conditions I'll be buying, which is my pullback and engulfing candles. That is all I'll be looking at. For now, I'm expecting a further push up. This zone has nicely played out. So that's it for today's video. Hope you got a value. And if yes, hit a like button for me, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.